So I had a bit of noise coming from the front end of my car. I wasn't sure if it was my gearbox or diff. So I took it into Newcastle Gearbox and Diff in New South Wales, and they've done an awesome job. They told me it was the front diff needed rebuilding. So they've done an awesome job on it. Just want to give them a shout out. This is not paid in any way. I had to pay to get the diff rebuilt. But they've fixed me up with the gearbox once before, got my gearbox going again. They've done a really good job. It's clean inside, they've cleaned, the garage is clean, everything works. They explained everything in really good terms, what they were going to do, prices, everything like that. It came out at what they were going to say. I just want to say they've done an amazing job. If you're looking to get a gearbox or a diff rebuilt and you're in the Newcastle area in New South Wales, drop in and give the guys there have a talk to them and go from there. I can't say how good and how pleased I am with their service. Guys, have fun out there 4-wheel driving.